PureBirdsnest.com. Authentic real bird's nest direct from Indonesia. Please look at these fabulous natural bird nests. They're in its own natural color, and these are the finest quality where it is 4A. Please look into our website to see a finer picture of the nest and with a comparison to the American corn and the Benjamin Franklin $100 bill, and place next to each other and you see the awesome size of these things. And like I said, these are natural coloring. These are 4A, AAAA, natural, premium selected, best of the best bird's nest. Authentic, real one. Please come to our website at PureBirdsnest.com. PureBirdsnest.com. Okay? Thank you for your order. Email or call for orders. And I have the all natural broken nests. These are called broken because they're not in the bowl shape. These are fine quality, and texture is awesome. So I have the natural white bird's nest. I have the yellow one, and I have the orange one. These are individual selected from the habitat as due to their diet. So these are the natural color, and of course these are very premium quality 4A bird's nest. We are wholesale distributor to the Chinese store, as well as web store and retail to the public. Please call or email inquire, and our website is PureBirdsnest.com. Thank you.